Good morning, everybody. It's Tony. Bitcoin just hit 50K. Absolutely insane. The fact that it hit 50K. I actually have a specific set of indicators where I think certain things happen, and Bitcoin is over 50K, and my specific dual indicators haven't, you know, given the official entry of getting back into Bitcoin. So to have it already cross 50K and for my indicators to be like a weak bear instead of full bullish is absolutely insane. Which goes into my like original thesis or running thesis that I think minimum. I think from these past monthly lows that we've had, I think we're gonna anywhere from I think we're gonna minimum 3x, and the monthly lows were I think 28K. So I think roughly an 84K is gonna happen after within the next I don't know, 250 to 300 days. At least that's what my running thesis is right now. But 50K, man, absolutely insane. I mean, we still have a ways to go to 64, but it does look like. I mean, I'll be honest with you. It looks like we're gonna break. Um, it looks like we're gonna break these previous highs of 50. What is it? 52K, 52.6. I'll tell you right now, that's what it looks like. It looks like we're headed back to 52.6. If we break that level, if we break 52.6, we're going to 64K. I'll tell you. Oh, sorry, I'll tell you guys that right now. If 52.6 gets broken, at least these highs, 52.7, 52.6, these relative highs, if we break that, yeah, I think we're going to 64K 100%. It's absolutely insane, how quickly we actually got back here. So I'll see you guys later.